The Finance Ministry's Financial Intelligence Unit will reportedly hear the petitions of 7 offshore crypto platforms seeking to restart operations in India. Sources told Economic Times that the unit will hear the pleas of crypto exchanges such as Bitfinex, MEXC Global, Kraken, Hobby, K.io, Bittrex and Bitstamp later this week. It is pertinent to note that these platforms were banned for non-compliance with the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So as per the report, the ban on the platforms will be revoked after these exchanges pay a pending goods and services tax, estimated to be around INR 2,900 crore. The UK government announced on Wednesday that the Ministry of Justice has introduced a property bill to clarify the legal status of Bitcoin and other digital assets. Well, this bill, led by Justice Minister Hedy Alexander, seeks to formally recognize digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, as personal property under English and Welsh law. So the bill addresses the legal uncertainty surrounding digital assets, which were previously not definitively classified as property, leaving their owners vulnerable to or in disputes or cases of fraud. FTX and Alameda are expected to offload their Solana assets through an over-the-counter desk to avoid hurting the market. On-chain data show that FTX and Alameda Research Associated addresses unstaked 177,693 sold units, worth nearly $24 million. So as a result, the FTX and Alameda Research Associated address holds a total of over 7 million SOL, worth more than $953 million. The FTX's Solana Unstake is less likely to impact the underlying SOL price action, as the demand for altcoin among retail and institutional investors remains strong. The United States Bitcoin miner CleanSpark has agreed to purchase 7 cryptocurrency mining facilities and their associated land in the Knoxville, Tennessee area. The new acquisitions will boost CleanSpark's hash rate by 22%, the company said. According to a trade publication, CleanSpark is purchasing the new facilities from Exponential Digital. CleanSpark said it is paying $27.5 million in cash for the new facilities and expects the deal to close by September 25. Pendle has introduced Bitcoin yield options to its Bitcoin Arc initiative, offering stable and leveraged strategies for BTC holders. This expansion taps into Bitcoin's growing role in DeFi and also strengthens Pendle's position in the market. An upcoming V3 upgrade will improve liquidity and scalability, while Pendle currently holds a total value locked of $2.63 billion, making it a leading yield protocol. Stablecoin payments in Singapore surged to nearly $1 billion in Q2, largely driven by merchant transactions, according to Chainalysis. This marks a sharp rise from $161 million in 2023. So StraitsX, which recently received a payment institutional license from MAS, highlighted the benefits of stablecoins, including faster and cheaper transactions. Jason Tay of StraitsX praised Singapore's balance between innovation and strict regulations in the crypto space. Now, despite stablecoins being a smaller portion of overall payments, their efficiency and low cost make them an attractive option for businesses. Coinbase has launched Coinbase Wrapped Bitcoin, an ERC20 token-backed 1:1 by Bitcoin held in Coinbase's custody to enhance Bitcoin's utility in DeFi. Initially available on Base and Ethereum, CBBTC allows users to access Ethereum-based DeFi applications with their Bitcoin holdings. The token integrates with DeFi protocols like Aave Compound and Curve, enabling new use cases like liquidity provision and using Bitcoin as collateral. While CBBTC simplifies on-chain Bitcoin usage, concerns about centralization in wrapped Bitcoin products remain, especially after issues with WBTC. Bitcoin mining difficulty surged by 3.6% to an all-time high of 92.67 trillion, while the hash rate peaked at 700 exahashes per second before settling at 670 exahashes per second. Now, this increase has pressured miners' profit margins as competition for block rewards intensifies, enhancing network security but reducing profitability. So, mining revenue dropped from $29.12 million to $19.60 million in just 4 days, and on-chain fees accounted for only 1.83% of the revenue. Additionally, Bitcoin miners sold around 30,000 Bitcoin in 72 hours due to financial pressure. Now, despite these challenges, Bitcoin's price remains stable at $57,990.25. ARK Invest bought 53,708 Coinbase shares worth $8.4 million across 3 ETFs following a market drop after US presidential debate. The firm led by Cathie Wood made its first Coinbase purchase since August, increasing coins' weight in its portfolios. So Coinbase stock initially fell but recovered, closing down 0.8% at $157.15. The market dip followed the Trump versus Harris debate, which caused temporary volatility in crypto markets. Bitcoin also briefly dropped but later recovered. Greece is enhancing its AI capabilities with a new €300 million worth a $331 million data center project by Data4 in Paeania near Athens. This investment will support AI tech requiring significant computational power. However, high energy costs in Europe, including Greece, pose a challenge. So the EU's recent AI regulations effective August 1 also impact Greece, with the country forming an AI advisory committee to develop a national strategy. Despite these developments, tech companies like Meta and Apple have expressed concerns about EU regulations affecting their products. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.